Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to add shop button on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application. Once on Instagram, select your profile on the bottom right. Once you're here, select the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. Then select Settings. Once you are now in Settings, scroll down. In here, look for Account. Once you are now in Account, the next step is to select Switch to a free professional account. Then in here, just select Continue until you reach the end. In here, select the profession that best describes you. Once done, select the blue button at the bottom corner. In here, select Business, then click on Next. In here, review your contact info. You can choose to skip this and do this later. For now, select Continue. Then select Continue once again. Wait for the Facebook pop-up to finish loading. You can also choose to skip this one. Just select Not Now. Close this pop-up over here on the right X. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.